Record. Hi, this is Anna, and I just wanted to welcome you to the workshop that I'm having on the Sunshine Coast called Enhance Your Awareness, Live with Happiness and Live with Flow. And the type of people that come in and do this workshop are people that are already reasonably successful in their life and they've just found that there's some particular area for them that's just not working. And no matter what they've been doing, because what I found is that they've actually done quite a fair bit of self-development themselves, they keep coming up against the same hurdle. And because of that hurdle that they keep coming up against, they just can't change a particular behavior or a particular circumstance. And that is the issue or the struggle that they really want to get over, because it's interfering with those other areas of success in their life. So in this workshop that is going to be one full day on the 27th, is we're going to look at how do I firstly deal with that one issue. So firstly we've got to look at where am I at right now? How do I operate? Because something in the way that I'm operating, in the way that I think about my life or the way that I emote is off track some way. So I have a very unique system. It's the same system that I use in the mentoring program, which is over 6 months. We look at straight away, how do I operate, what's working for me and what's not working. And then the second step is you get to look at those areas that perhaps are interfering, creating that hurdle for you. Take an aspect of that and look at, thirdly, what strategies that you would have to apply to make that different. These are exactly the same techniques that I'm using with my clients in the Enhances Awareness program. So that it's a proven formula. It worked for me, it works for my clients, and I'm sure that it has a really good opportunity of helping you to live with more happiness and more freedom in your life. So by registering into the program, into this one-day workshop, I can guarantee you that it's going to be a very full day. You'll have your own workbook that you'll be able to take home with you and use over and over again, utilising the tools that you're going to learn on this one-day workshop. And, you know, if you come with an open mind and prepared to learn something different about yourself so that you can operate in a new way, then again, I can guarantee that you'll actually walk away from the workshop with a lot more sense of freedom and happiness. So all the details are in the email below. I look forward to meeting with you on the 27th, and in the meantime, have a great day. Bye.